Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you. We've made it to hump day, some scattered showers, a few rumbles of thunder this morning. A couple of those storms could be on the side of stout, to say the least, and those will vacate the region. It looks hot. And even some heat indices that could top 100 degrees for some, as temperatures could be kissing 90 or better in some of our area. We'll go over all of this, but the risk of severe weather is there today. So we're going to start with a look at that model guidance as you need what you need as you get ready for your day. Here's what we're watching as we head into the afternoon hours. Morning showers and storms will move out. That will allow the heat to really take hold, particularly in the southern valley here. Our winds southerly, 10 to 20 miles per hour. By the time we get into the mid-morning hours, we're going to start to see, well, the heat build, and the sunshine will begin the allowance of some instability in the atmosphere. That means rising bubbles of air. When that rising pocket of air is really rising fast, well, that storm could quickly become stout and produce some sizable hail. So in the early onset of the afternoon, models are showing, and we'll have a decent chance for some thunderstorms here in the Red River Valley and points east. So there'll be a slight chance that a couple of these storms could be severe in our North Dakota counties. But the better chance comes here when things really get firing. We're talking from near Lake of the Woods down through the Beltrami County area and into Lakes Country. This does include Becker County. It does include Otter Tail County for a risk of severe weather. All modes of severe weather are possible. We cannot rule out tornadoes. It does not mean everyone will see them, but there is some spin in the atmosphere as we go through the afternoon today. Damaging straight line winds and very large hail with the heat of the day are going to be the primary concerns. Look what's going on in Winnipeg. Those storms could be strong as we head into the 8 p.m. hour, but a little later they should be fizzling out a bit as northwest winds usher in some cooler and drier air. So the timing here from the valley and points into central Minnesota will be from around 1 in the afternoon today, and as we go into the early evening hours. After that, the real risk shifts off to the east toward the Twin Cities and to Duluth as well. Let's take a look at our planning forecast first. How much rain might we see? Let's get to that. It does look like since storms only form over the valley, the best chance of any significant rain will be mainly from here in Lakes Country south toward the Twin Cities, where we could get a few areas with upwards of 2 inches or more of rain. We could see some stout rainfall totals, though, if you're looking into that Beltrami to Hubbard County area, as well as Otter Tail and Becker counties, as the storms will be more likely there, and even up into northern Beltrami County near the Red Lakes area. So keep that in mind. Other things that we're watching for today is the heat. Now check this out as we go through our afternoon. Now, not so hot out in central and western North Dakota, but the 80s will be a plentiful all the way up towards Hallock. 85 there, near 90 for Grand Forks, 91 Fargo. The pocket of real hot air with those high heat indices will be down here for Fargo, for Moorhead, for Otter Tail County, and on towards the Wendell area. So stay hydrated. Look at Thief River Falls, 87. It's another 87-degree day up in the, Bemidji area before the storms make their way in. Then you too will cool off. Gusty northwest winds will replace the south winds for today. Today's forecast for the FM area, 92, hotter, breezy winds. Strong storms developing near the FM area and quickly moving off into the late afternoon. Your evening plans will hopefully in Fargo and in Grand Forks be a go. Now, as we take a look at your 7-day planner here, let's check this out. 92 as we go through the day today, and then it's a roller coaster ride. A couple of 80-degree days Thursday and Friday for the Fargo area. It looks a little drier and quiet. Thunderstorm chances return, hit and miss, and periods of showers and storms probably most widespread on Saturday, then returning late Sunday and into Monday. Yes, those storms could be strong. It's looking sizzle-worthy on Tuesday with temperatures back up to near 90. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. If storms form today, check with me regularly. Or just stay informed any way you can, because those storms could quickly become severe. Have a wonderful Wednesday.